Hello and welcome, my friend. As every weekend, we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities. So if it is the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe and turn the bell notification to receive all our videos and updates. Also, we are a channel specialized about trading. We put a weekly video about Forex pairs and a monthly video about stocks and a monthly video about Bitcoin. We give you our analysis free. You don't need to pay nothing. Everything is in YouTube. We just want your support. That's it, my friend. Go down and hit the thumbs up to help us. And by the way, if you are someone beginner or you still seeking for a trading strategy that works, down below in the first comment, there is a couple link to the best-selling course in Udemy. The course it costs $200. By using that couple link, it will cost you only $10, my friend. So the choice is yours. So let's dive into the lesson of today, my friend. So the first pair we got, my friend, is the EURUSD. And that one, as we said it last week, and if you remember our forecasting, we put here that red line here, and you can go back and you watch it. We said from that level here it's going to fall down, and that's what happened. As you see it, tail down here. I think everything is very clear. Yes, it's make a small correction like that, up, then it fall down. That's just a squeeze to hit stop loss. I think everything is very clear because it's make like that, then it fall down like that. Everything is very clear. So for this week, our view to it will continue falling down, maybe till that level. And from here, it will go up, or maybe where it is now, it will go up. Because here we got a trend line, and that trend line is being broken in daily. So it's need like that, to make like that, to make a low, to go back to touch that trend line. And from there, it will fall down like that. So it will give you a low, a high. It needs to give you another low like that. So that's a downward trend. I think that are basics, but you need to understand it like that, like that, like that, like that. So low, high, low, high. That's a trend. That's a downward trend. In the upward trend is opposite in that. So everything is very clear till now. The levels we got, my friend, here. The first level here is 1.19486. Another level at 1.19008. Sorry. Another level at 1.18434. Another level at 1.17782. Another level at 1.17257. Another, the last one at 1.16699. I think everything is very clear till now. Let me analyze for you the RSI to be the picture more clear for you, my friend. Here, as you see, we got here the daily trend line here. And by the way, if you want to know how we do all those things, you just go back to other videos. You're going to find everything there. So here it's near to touch it. It haven't touched it yet. So when it's going to touch it, it's going to make a correction upward till it's touching here, my friend. So you, as I told you, every time, if you want to be a swing trader, maybe when it's touching here, you enter buy to upward. If you want to be in the safe side, you wait till it's touching here, and from there you enter short. I think that's it, my friend. Everything is very clear. So you now don't enter, don't do nothing. You wait till it's touching here, or to go back to touch here. Everything is very clear. So my friends, the other pair we got is the cable. And that one, even that one, I'll leave it here. So it here, that red line here. I told you from that level here is going to fall down, and that's what happened. So you see it, it came, it touching here the triangle, the top of it. Then from there it fall down till here. More than 100 pips, my friend. So our view to it will continue downward move till it's going to touch here, but don't enter in it now. If you enter from that level, you move the stop loss here maybe or here, and you take 50% or 75% here, depending on the lot size you enter with. So our view to it, it will come maybe till here and go back up, or from here, it will go back up till that level. I think everything is very clear, my friend. The levels we got here, we got the first level here at 1.39417, another level at 1.38894, another level at 1.38251, another level at 1.37719, another level at 1.37168, another level at 1.36525, and the last one at 1.36050. I think everything is very clear. So my view is from that level or that level is going to make a correction. And as I told you, you can enter in it buy if you want. You can you wait it. If you want to be in the safe side, you wait it till here, then you enter in it short, my friend. And by the way, if you want to see our daily analysis, you can join our Facebook group where we're giving free daily signals about Forex, Bitcoin, stocks, everything there. So that's it for that pair, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear for you. As you see here in the RSI, that when I told is going to fall down more because it haven't touched that trend line here or that support here. So when it touches, it's going to go up till it touching the daily here. So our view to it, as I told, is going to fall down a little bit more. And from there, it's going to go up. Then from here, you wait it here. You enter sell in it if you want to be a swing trader. If you want to take weekly, you can take all that. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, is the Aussie. And that one, the same story. We said it from here, if you remember last week, from that level here. Exactly. I told you it's going to fall down. And that's what happened. You see more than 100 pips in the Aussie, my friend. So for this week, our view to it will make a small downward move. And from there, it will make a big correction to upward. From here, it's going to fall down. Picture is very clear, as I told you. So if you enter from here, you're taking 75% or 70%, and you move the stop loss to here. I think everything is very clear. The levels we got, my friend, it's 0.74586, another one 0.73789, another level at 0.72824, another level at 0.72224, and the last level at 0.71011. Everything is very clear till now. Let me analyze for you the RSI, as I told you. Here in the RSI, as you see, if you remember, we said from here it's going to fall down, and that's what happened. Here, it haven't touched it yet. So our view to it, it will fall down a little bit, but it haven't touched the downward trend. And because as you see here, even the momentum in that RSI is getting lower, that means there is an upward move is coming. So when it touching here, you can enter in it long till here. If you want to be in the safe side, you wait in here, you enter short in it. I think everything is very clear till now, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, is the USD Japanese Yen, and the one even him the same story. We said it last week. From here, Said it's going to fall down, and that's what happened. It fall down till here. Then look what happened. Go back up. So our view to it now from here, maybe it's going to fall down till here. You can enter from here buy if you want. If you don't want, you can enter sell in it. So our view to USD Japanese Yen is still going up. Everything is very clear. Let me give you the levels. The first level here is 110.807. Another one, 110.418. Another one, 110.136. Another level at 109.594. Another level at 109.164. And the last one at 108.729, my friend. Everything is very clear. Let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear for you. Sorry. As you see here, the RSI touch here the upward of the daily trend line. So our view to it will fall down till here to touch the one here. If it doesn't touch it, don't enter. As I told you here. Here doesn't touch it, don't enter. Now it touch it, enter in it, enter short till here. When it touching the one down, enter buy. Buy to upward till here. Everything is very clear, my friend. So now you can enter in it short if you want. But enter with money management and put tight stop loss. Don't put it very wide and use the real money management. If you don't know how, or you've been trading and you don't know the real money management, how it's working, as I told you, the first comment, there is a couple link to my course. Over there is 3 money management strategies the professional traders they use. Go to them and learn something valuable only by $10. So I think everything is very clear till now, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, is the gold. And the gold, that one we don't make it right. Sorry. Said from here is going to go up, but look what happened. It fell down that much. But for this week, from that level here, my view to it will go up till here, till the previous high. Everything is very clear, my friend. The levels we got here, the levels we got here, the first one at 1706.76, another one 1747.31, another one 1775.17, another one 1812, another one 1844.62, another level 1873.65, another level 1903.47. I think that's it, that the levels, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear, my friend. And that's why I told you it's going to go up. Look at it. It touch here the down support. Because if you remember, I told you every time it touch it, it go up, my friend. And now it touch it yet. So now is the time of buying, my friend. It will make a correction down like that. Then from here it will go up. But now is the time of buying the gold, my friend. It's the time of buying it. Remember those things. And I think that's it for that pair, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, is the Dragon or British Pound Japanese Yen. And that one, if you remember, I told you we got here a divergence from last week. I told you from that level it's going to fall down, and that's what happened. It makes that correction like that. It's breaking that channel. As I told you, it's going to break it like that. Then from there it will go back again to it, and that's what happened. It's break it upward like that. Then from there, look how much it fell down. So if you enter from that level or that level, is the time to take in now 50% of the deal or the trade, and you leave it to fall down more. Maybe it's going to fall down till here or till here. depending on the volatility, or maybe it's going to fall down till here. I think everything is very clear, my friend. The levels we got here, the first level here at 152.899, another level at 152.284, another level at 151.679, another level at 151.026, another level at 150.126, another level at 149.285, and the last one at 148.432. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear for you. As you remember, we told you here we got a divergence. The price fell down. Now our view is going to fall down to touch here the daily trend line here. And from here it will go up, my friend. As I told you, we don't know till where. Maybe it's going to fall down more than that. But also, as every time I told you, it needs to fall down till here. You enter when it's breaking the trend line up and the candle close like that. Don't enter when the candle still moving. Everything is very clear till now. Take profit here, or if you want to be in the safe side, you wait in it till from here, then you enter short in it. I think everything is very clear, my friend. That's it for that week. See you in the next week, my friend. And please support us, because I don't see any support from no one in that channel. Bye, my friend.